Second analysis of the day, guys. Forex market situation update. We got the pound Canadian. We're basically breaking into some interesting action going on here. We talked about the pound Canadian. Long-term perspective, we're bearish. However, short-term perspective, and that's what I talked about last time we were here. Price is trading sideways, and it's actually showing some signs of an upside move that expected to reach the upper section, namely 73.85 right there. And that's short-term perspective. So we're having conflict between two different cycles, right? The short-term cycle is clearly pointing up at this point. And it's quite interesting to see the way price was struggling to break 72.80 from below, right? Because the formation is clear. We got ourselves here a trading range with this 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So price was unable to break 71.86 here. Instead, it was turning back up to build the fourth leg, right? The fourth leg was under construction, but price struggled for 3 consecutive days. Check this out. This was the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, all of which couldn't really break 72.80. Take a look at the close on last Thursday. That was 72.79. I mean, do you see what I'm talking about? Just 1 pip, right? It just couldn't break out. But then came Friday. Friday was crazy. It started on the way. It started on the downside with a lot of force. It came down, right? And then it met that 71.86 again and just bounced off it as if it was touching a wall of fire, completely changing the mode on that day. So that day actually ended up positively, but on the way it managed to break that 72.80, that stubborn 72.80 resistance level was finally broken last Friday. And we think this means a lot. We think this is a big deal, right? Not only price bouncing off 71.86 in such a nice fashion here, but also, of course, crossing over 72.80 after a few failed attempts. So at this point, we just have to subscribe to to this move going up and completing that fourth leg all the way once it touches 73.85. So we're talking about 85 pips to go, right? Exactly 85 pip to go. It's not a big move, but it could be covered in a day, in a single day, right? Maybe a couple of days. It should be a quick move, and we think we can capitalize on that, right? On all this information that I've just presented. So right after this video, guys, you guessed it, we're pulling the trigger here, trying to chase 85 pip. Once we reach 73.85, we're out. All right, we're out, and then there's going to be a new game we're going to play. We're going to try to time a short position with the intention to reach 70.20. All right, so as far as I'm concerned, we're going to be ready to hit, to drop that hammer when price is going to do something like this. It's going to penetrate the upper section. It's going to start to turn around, and once it does, that's where we drop the hammer. All right, but again, this is let's take things step at a time. For now, we're just going to focus on 73.85. But I just gave you a bit of a promo to what we expect here and what exactly needs to happen for us to flip over, basically, and merge back with the higher time frame conviction of ours, which is a bearish conviction at the end of the day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that session today. This analysis on the pound Canadian. It's been a pleasure. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.